Hi there, I'm Tara Bodkins with the Horry County Schools Digital Integration Specialist team. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. Start by going to accounts.google.com. Click Create Account. The sign-up form will appear. Follow the directions by entering the required information. Next, enter your phone number to verify your account. Google uses a two-step verification process for your security. You will receive a text message from Google with a verification code. Enter the code to complete the account verification. Next, you will see a form to enter some of your personal information like your name and birthday. Review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then click I agree. Your account will be created. For any other help with digital tools, please visit the Digital Integration Specialist YouTube channel.